Hi everyone, let's continue. In the previous video, we create a site under result. It's pretty nice. I really enjoyed that. Let's take another look at it. Okay, you see it's pretty nice, but we are going to make it greater. For that, let's at first, we name it F results. Okay, now we open C results and F results and we go to the model that says they are the best. Let's go to C result. Okay, it is for YC, the model best model 2. We have the predicted with output for all of the data. No, we have it for just a little part of the data. And I want to have it, sorry, for all of the data. So for that, I'm going to write the code for that. Activate tensor fellow env, and after activating that, I'm going to open Jupyter Notebook. I'm going to write a code to predict this data from the model we have for all of the data. Let's open our new Gemini. We need to go to model 2. Let's go there. Project, model 2. Okay, we have the model 2 here. I want you to write a code to load my model and scalar for YC and predict and create a CSV from predicted and true actual value of all data. Okay, let's wait. Okay, it's going to done the work. Let's run it. Let us first see what is it doing. It's not training any model, it's loading model. Okay, it's good. Let's wait for that. It's going to done it great. The model 2 is the best for that, and model 7 machine. Let's go to also model 7 machine. Open it in new folder, model 7 machine. And which model 7 machine? XGBoost. Okay, we also need to write that code here. We didn't even save the models here. So we have a problem here. We are going to fix that. It's predicted. Let's take a look at that. All data. We have this chart. This is the chart we needed. Now, what we are going to do with this chart, we are going to draw this chart. But before that, let me just copy that. Go here and write presentation and charts. Here I'm going to open FC name it. I'm going to name it model 2. Okay, let's increase the name. Now I need to do the same thing for model 7 also. Let's go back to model 7. Model 7 metrics and optimized. I think it's here, model 7. Okay. I want you to change this code to save the models and also save a CSV file that has the actual value of all data and predicted. Okay. Let's wait for that. Until it's waiting for that, let's go here. I'm going to copy this column. Go open another Gemini, paste it. These are 2 columns of data for my neural network model. I want you to give me all the possible chart that I can draw. Sketch is better. I can sketch for my data in Python code. Also, this data is my Python code. At least give me 5 chart. Okay, it's going to create something amazing for me. Until then, let us go to presentation and create a new code here. Let's see if it's fixed itself. But the most important thing I must set to you that you know that you can't write the code in model 7 because the results may be changed. Because of that, you need to open a new space and write it there. We are going to that thing exactly. Let me delete these results, copy this result, and from home go there. Model 7 copy. Delete this thing. Okay, now copy that code, paste it here, run it. Let's see, the code is created. Okay, it's giving us the chart, not the codes. Okay, it's actually giving us the code. I want you to save the results in my code as SVG. Let's see what it's the result of run. It's run. I didn't see any plot here. Oh, it saved them as I see that it saved them as PNG, but I don't need them. I need to save them as SVG. Let's change it, run it. Now we have all the charts here. Scatter, add 5 more charts, and also minus and plus 20% lines to by sector chart. Okay, here the code is run for the machine. I think it's, where is it? It's in copy. We don't need that. It's run perfectly. Let's go to model 7 copy. Let's see the metrics. I hope the metrics are the best. Yes, the R2 is the best. It's 81 as we want, but with a little difference. I think in the result it's good, in the test it's also good. We have the charts. Now I want you to give me a code. Oh, it saved the things we want, I think. Yes, it's create them. Actual with predicted, we have it. Predicted random forest, we have it. Okay, let me just copy that also and came it here. We have all the results we want. Problem with Gemini. This is an experiment to deeply analyze your model. Problem with Gemini. This is the first time I'm seeing something like that. Let's paste them in new thing. Run it. Let's take a look at the chart. It's chart 1. Scatter plot minus 20%. Horizontal plot. Histogram result. Box plot. Line plot. Okay. Okay. KDE plot. Okay. What is the mean absolute result? Absolute residual. Okay. There was a circle color histogram that I didn't recall the name. Can you add that also? Let's see if it's remember the name. Okay, it's added. Let's run it and rename it. Run it, rename it, chart creator. Polar histogram result. Okay, we have all the charts. Some of them are useful and some of them are not, but it's important we have the charts. Okay, now you see it's only the change of the data we need to do. Let us give a new data and set to it to change the data. Stay on a page, chart creator. But we need to delete this thing and save for model 2 and make it markdown. Run it. Okay, now we need to do that for another model we have. We copy the actual with predicted here. I think it's here, actual with predicted. Where is the model 2? Okay, they are here. We save that. We delete that now. Save that, delete that. Now we are going to copy everything except this thing, cut them. New folder, model 2. Paste everything here. It says open. We close it. Now we need to do the same thing for model 7. We need to create a new file in model 7. Let's go back to project, optimizing project, site, no, presentation, FC, model 7, new notebook. We name it chart maker, and we just need to have the data set. Okay, we open that. I think the XGBoost is the best model, but let's take a look. XGBoost, okay. XGBoost, we delete this thing. Let me just increase the name to find the XGBoost. Okay, it's for YC, not YF. I'm going to delete these two things. We are going to use YC XGBoost, okay. Delete this thing. Delete this thing. And delete this thing. Okay, now copy them. Paste the data here. Can you change the data by new data I gave you? The new data started from 34. Let's just wait. It's writing the code. Until it's writing, we have the charts now we want. Okay, let's see if it changed the data or not. 34, 35, 34, 35. Okay, the data is changed. We copy the code. Go to our Python. Paste it, run it. All the charts is creating. It says, can see all the charts are here. Everything you need. Okay, it's good. Now we need to do the same thing for FY. Let's see which one of them is the best for FY. Model 1. Okay. And for the XGBoost, which one of them is that? Tuned version 3. I don't recall which one of them is tuned version 3. I need to take a look at that. And I think it's maybe take a little time, but from the analyzing you can always find tuned version 3. It's simply really easy to find them. We not just go here and see tuned version 3. Model 5 machine. Model 5 machine. Let's go to Model 5 machine. We need to go there from here also. Model 5 machine. But as you remember, we need to copy that before running it again. We copy this code. We open a new Gemini. Add it here. and paste the same comment as we paste here. What we said here, let's go down to our comment. And paste it here. Where is my code? Okay, here my code. It's going to create it perfectly. We are in the copy. Okay, I want to close this chart maker. Let's delete this, run this. Oh, we give it the wrong code. We need to start a new chat. Now it's going to create the perfect one. Let's call it model 5 machine. Okay, it's going to create that. Let me run it. Until then, it's not too bad to commit these changes or not. No, I'm not going to commit them. Let's wait until training. Let's go find our second model is model 1. Let's go to model 1, open a new folder, go to model 1, optimizing project, model 1. Model 1 is here. I'm going to see if we have the predicted with output. Yes, we have them. It's no need to do more work. Model 1. It's model 1. Now we open the data, copy them, go to here and ask it, can you change the data by new data that I gave you? Okay. And this code is created and I think it's running if I didn't forget it. Okay, it's run. We have the models. Model 5's machine. Okay, optimized. What is it? It's good. It's the result. Okay, it's useless for me. Oh, we are to go to model 5 machine copy. All data predicted optimized. We are going to bring it here. Let's go back from here, save it. Go to model optimizing project, presentation and chart, FFY, model 1, new notebook. How we should name it? There are lots of ways, but let's go with chart maker. We need to copy the result from the Gemini and run it. Okay, we need to go back to model 5, new notebook. We also need to name it chart maker. Now we wait for that. Let me close that and see the results here. We have all the charts. Now let's go to model 5. Here we need to copy the new data, but before that we need to understand which one of the models work the best for us. Let's take a look at the sites. Model 5 XGBoost. We need to delete everything except XGBoost. Actual YF, we need that, but we don't need actual YC. A random forest is deleted. XGBoost YC is deleted also. These three deleted. Now we copy everything and paste it here. Can you change the data by the new data that I gave you? But before planning that, let's see if the data is changed or not. We see it's changed. Our first data is 603. Okay, 603. The data is changed. We need to wait for it to end. Until then, let's close this chart maker also. Let's copy that, paste it here, Control S, and run it. Run it. Now we just need to wait for the run. Okay, it's run, and we have all the 11 charts. You see, there are the charts. Every charts we need. Now we have all the charts that we need for the presentations of our model. The charts are important part of your work. You're always going to need them. Now we have all the charts. It's also better for the presentations to have a code that can predict your model. What I mean, with giving that the model and the scalar, it can predict your model. It's also easily can written, but because it's so easy, we are not going to read that. We are going to write a model that from this file, here, from this file. Where is that? A scalar and YC scalar from this code. Let me just, from this code, get the parameters of the models. What I'm going to show you now, let me just go there. For example, let's say you want to present your model somewhere and you want to give them the parameters of the model. It's important because of that I'm going to write a code to give the parameters of the model. Let's go to the model code. Open a new chat. I want you to write a code that load my model from this code and my scalar, and after that give me the parameters of the model as weights, layers, and scalars, and everything else that needed, and save the data in CSV or TXT. Okay, let's see def load model. Okay, the code is done. Let's run it. I hope it didn't change anything. But before that, let me just cancel it. I'm going to commit everything, so no problem happened here. If I do something wrong, end of models, Okay, it's good. Now let's run it and see if it's work or not. Loading the model. Fix the problem. Okay, let's wait. The code is not ended. You see, because they didn't see the end. So we need to refresh the chat. Sometimes the chat become more heavy than it can handle it. Okay, now it's finished. We copy, paste, run it. Now we need to copy the problem again. The same problem. Fix the error. Okay, let's wait. Let's copy that. Fix the error. The Gemini can't fix the error. Let's see this time if it can fix the error or not. If it's not fixed, I need to read the text. Fix it. Let's read the text. Okay, it says we have some kind of problem. Let's see if it's going to fix it or not. Okay, the model have saved. Let's take a look at model 1. Scalar parameters. These are the scalar parameters for the X. And we also have the model parameters where it saved the model. It is the output result summary, output with predictions. So let's see. Critical load failure. Check your temporal compatibility. Okay, it's not important because we can load our model. Anything else is not important for us now. So let's just for now close this thing because we have our model and I forget about that. This is the end of this project. We create something great and we get a lots of results and we can present them everywhere we want. I hope you enjoyed. If you like it, tell me in the comments and have a nice